the animal that breaks every rule of a biology book. Meet the platypus. It's a mammal, but it lays eggs. It has a beak like a duck, a tail like a beaver, and legs like an otter. And did you know they are venomous? Yep, the males have venomous spurs on their hind legs. But wait, there's more. The platypus doesn't even have a stomach. Its throat connects directly to its intestines. And while we humans have 2 sex chromosomes, the platypus has 10. And if that's not wild enough, their fur glows under ultraviolet light. Nature sure went all out with this one. The platypus is a living, breathing, glowing mystery. Drop your thoughts in the comments and follow for more.